Over the years here at the Trailer Parts Outlet, we've heard every story imaginable about hauling, burn-up engines, tires blowing out, and other stories. Situations that would have you gasping for air. We've compiled some of the top mistakes and how to avoid them. A few of these may sound familiar, but the others may surprise you. Hi, I'm Kiefer, and this is Quick Tips. We do these quick tip episodes to help people haul better, safer, and more efficiently. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It keeps me employed and also gets great information to you on a weekly basis. So let's dive into the top 8 mistakes people make while towing. Now, here in Texas, summer usually lasts from April to February, and we see an assortment of vehicles smoking, steaming, and burnt up on the side of the road. The number one mistake people make by far is overworking their tow vehicle's engine. Overextending your vehicle by pushing your engine into extreme temperatures can cause a landslide of issues. Cracking your engine block, you can blow your transmission. These are just 2 of the many issues that can be caused by pushing your engine too hard. At the very least, you'll have a meltdown on the side of the road while waiting on repair service. To avoid incidents like these, keep an eye on your pressure and temperature gauges. Also, don't exceed your tow vehicle's max tow weight. I know we all have that one thing extra we need to get on the trailer. Don't do it. Second one is when hauling, brakes are your life-saving best friend. They're the most essential part and often overlooked part of your trailer safety system. There are self-adjusting trailer brakes, but a good portion on the market still have to be manually adjusted. They wear out just like any other brake and must be checked regularly. For the safest ride, we cannot emphasize enough that getting an in-vehicle brake controller is absolutely recommended. Touching back to overworking your engine, you can also overwork your trailer. If you are hauling over the GVWR of your trailer, you are asking for trouble. Not only are you putting yourself and other people on the road in danger, you are tearing up your trailer and your tow vehicle as well. The extra stress on your engine we mentioned in the first tip of this video isn't helping anything but the potential damage to your truck and to your trailer. By hauling with an overloaded trailer, you're putting unneeded stress on your axles, tires, hubs, suspension, and even the frame of your trailer. Not to mention the hot water if you get pulled over by the police or DOT while overloaded. It's just a bad idea to haul overloaded at all. Our next tip we've mentioned in previous videos. Make sure you have the right ball mount for each trailer you tow with, whether it's a bumper pull or a gooseneck. There are different sizes and different weight ratings that each ball hitch can have. So make sure you're using the right one. To find the right ball mount, look on your coupler, and it should state or have a sticker on it or an imprint or a stamp that gives you the matching ball hitch's weight. Even the wrong hitch puts extra strain and stress on your brakes, reduces the life of your tires, and can lead to some serious disasters if you have issues on the road. We all know time is money, but speeding while hauling is never a good idea. It puts unwanted stress on your engine, puts you in danger if you need to stop suddenly, it's 35% less fuel efficient, and it's not worth the speeding ticket. Here's another tip that has been in our previous videos. Check your tire pressure every time before you haul. It'll ensure even wear on your trailer's tires, and you'll be less likely to have a blowout from overheating. And most of all, it gets you in the habit of doing a pre-trip inspection. Like any well-oiled machine, your preventable measures with your trailer go a long way. Axles and all pivot points where steel meets steel or rubber bushings meet steel should be greased. Keep the tongue jack greased as well to keep it from seizing. This usually never happens at a good time. Now, the last but not even close to the least, if you are on a trip or delivering a load, you don't want unwanted downtime. Getting stuck on the side of the road sucks. Having spare parts ready to install in case a grease or oil cap cracks, a tire blows out, or your brake assembly dies while you're hauling is a beautiful thing. There isn't time for downtime these days, so keep a stash of repair parts on hand. Here at the Trailer Parts Outlet, we have ready-made repair kits and service kits that would help in situations like these. Hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Every time we haul something, we always have the best of intentions, but sometimes things just go south. These are tips to help keep you safe on the road without any issues. Before you leave, check out this video here. It may help next time you have to replace or fix an axle. Go ahead, I'll wait. As always, stay tuned for the next one. And until then, God bless.